Go. Love starts as a feeling, but to continue is a choice, and I find myself choosing you more and more every day. Today I stand here in front of our family and friends with the honour and privilege to finally call you my wife. I vow to love and protect you and our family, to be faithful and truthful.
For you, I offer my heart up, breath in my lungs. It's already yours, love, take all that you want. All of my body, all of my blood. It's already yours, love, take all that you want.
Nick, my best friend, my soulmate, my love. Standing here with you today has been a dream of mine since the moment I met you. I love your kind heart, your soft side, the side of you that's a warm embrace, that holds me tight and tells me everything is going to be okay. When you wipe away my tears and are my shoulder to cry on. And I know no matter where we are in this world, as long as we are together, we are home.
For you, I offer my heart up, breath in my lungs. It's already yours, love, take all that you want.
I'm the proud dad of Kobie, our beautiful bride. When I saw her today, it was pretty emotional. She's a beautiful bride. I realised that my little girl has finally grown up and about to head down a path of a new and exciting life with Nick as husband and wife.
Offer my heart up, breath in my lungs. It's already yours, love, take all that you want. All of my body, all of my blood. It's already yours, love, take all that you want.
Nick and Kobie's relationship is honestly something special. Falling in love at such a young age to then navigating teenage years into adult life together. They are living proof that real love takes work. And oh my gosh, hard work is so worth it. Nick and Kobie, I truly believe that you are soulmates, and together your personalities balance out so harmoniously. Nick, thank you for loving Kobie the way you do, and for mostly turning a blind eye to all the online shopping parcels that arrive at the front door. I love you both so much, and I wish you a life full together of love, happiness and health.
All this ambition turns into munitions. A man on a mission in a perfect position. I gotta get.
Is now my honour and true delight to pronounce you as husband and wife. You may kiss your beautiful bride.
Cause it makes me feel good. Get that new thing. I want the real thing. Give me that brand new. I want the real thing. We're gonna get that new thing.
Well, hello everyone and welcome. When Nick and Kate said they wanted to get married up here, I thought, you beauty, not many people will come. Wrong. The amazing friends they've got, an amazing family, to come all this way for a free drink and a food. So.
A few weeks ago, we had Kobie's hands and I asked Nick a few questions prior to the event. I asked him what he loved most about Kobes, to which he responded, "I love that she makes me laugh every day, her loyalty and her honesty." Nick, I know Kobes will give you all three of those things daily for the rest of your lives. How lucky are you?
No one can drop me, come try and stop me.
my beautiful wife. This day has been a long time coming. There was something about you when we met. I remember it very clearly. It was the first day of school and I was scanning the room. You were in the back row, second from the right near the school bags. And I remember thinking, wow, there was definitely an instant attraction.
Give me that brand new. I want the real thing. Give me that brand new. I want the real thing. We're gonna get that new thing.
Together, I can't wait for what the future brings. But today I'm a very proud man and I finally get to call you my wife, Mrs. Ritter.